Wagwan everyone, my name is Kunji and this is Cooking with Kunji. Today I'm going to be making some jerk chicken and rice and peas in the Ninja FOODI. This is going to be a one-pot meal, so I'm going to have the rice and peas cooking in the bottom and the chicken cooking on top. Alright, stay tuned, see how I make this. Make a run aboard. So what I have here for cooking today is a couple of leg quarters, and I'm going to be using just some olive oil, spritz over the skin of the chicken, still got the skin and the bones, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of jerk seasoning, my new favorite jerk seasoning, the Reggae spice, and then we're gonna have that pressure with the rice to get that rice to cook. After that, we'll go ahead and air fry that chicken, get that skin to crisp up really good. The pressure cook time is going to be about 5 minutes. It's not going to be long at all. Just enough time to get that chicken almost done stage. The air frying process will just cook that. So I made an error in this cook, guys. I had started to use the sear saute function to get that rice to get started. And what happened was the rice started to cook before the chicken could get up to pressure. So all that water that was in there got absorbed and cooked the rice. So what I had to do, the rice was already cooked. I had to remove the rice, put it in another pot, just let it, sit by the stove for a little bit. And then I went ahead and just air fried the chicken. It took a couple times. I air fried it for a little bit, then I flipped it around. Also put some zucchini in with the chicken. Initially, yes, I was going to do the zucchini, and I just put them right underneath that chicken and let it cook with some of those chicken juices still getting in there. So they didn't get dried out, just using the air fry, but they're cooked just enough, and they're really good, still really crunchy. So this meal is done now. The chicken is really tender, the flavor is really great. I didn't get to pressure cook it. I tried to bring the FOODI up to pressure. There's not enough liquid, but that amount of heat was enough to get it cooked enough where the air fry process was just gonna finish that cook up real easy. It was air fried for a total of about 16 to 18 minutes, and that's with me flipping them a couple times. So I move the chicken from top to bottom, and I also flip them over at least once. Thank you for watching this video today. If you are gonna try to make rice in the Ninja FOODI, I would advise you not to use the sear saute function to bring that rice heat up so that the FOODI can get to pressure faster. With rice, the liquid is going to be absorbed into the rice, and you won't have enough liquid to do your pressure cook. All right, so just something to think about. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this meal. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.